Oh wow, what's that then? What's that, Barbie? What is it? You forgot.
What? Merida.
That's gonna hurt someone. Wow.
I think you need to bring yours this way, Sos.
Oh, that one's heavy. Oh, what is this? Skylanders Giant? Huh? I don't have the game.
Oh no.
I know, it's in one of these. What does it feel like?
Well no, we'll have to go back.
What is this?
It'll
Fiery!
have to go back. It'll have to go back. It'll have to go back if you haven't got the game, won't it?
Fiery!
Oh, Mummy, we messed up there. We forgot he doesn't have a game.
We told Father Christmas to go thing to get him.
It's gonna be in this one, won't it? Whoa, cool! Hydro balls. So you didn't get it for David, you got it for me. You tricked me.
What on earth? You're meant to pick up these vitamins for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Why have I got vitamins in? You're putting up.
Plasma ball.
I think it needs to go in the bag, Carl, because it's going to get a bit...
Alright. Time out then. No more presents for a minute.